Eggs are a great source of protein. They're full of vitamins and minerals, and they taste good too. The next time you're making omelets, don't toss your shells. Eggshells have nearly as many uses as the eggs themselves. Here are a few ways to get the most from your eggs. Number 1. Household cleaner. You can make an easy and non-toxic abrasive cleaner by grinding some eggshells and mixing them with soapy water in a clean bottle or jar. Use the concoction to scrub your dirty pots and pans in your kitchen sink. Number 2. Clean away burnt food from your pans. When you have a burnt-on mess that is hard to clean, eggshells can help. Crush the eggshells into a cloth and use them to scrub away. This works great on cast iron or stainless steel, but avoid doing this with pans that have non-stick coating. Number 3. Create mosaic crafts. Eggshell is the perfect material for creating mosaics as it breaks into really interesting shapes. You can dye your shell various colors, and this can be used for all manner of projects, from photo frames to picture frames on paper and more. Number 4. Use as seeding pots. Being biodegradable, small, and free, eggshells make excellent seeding pots. Just be careful when you're potting your seeds, as eggshells are delicate. Make a small drainage hole in the bottom of each egg and store them in an egg box to keep them upright. When the seedlings are ready to transplant, simply plant the whole eggshell into a larger pot or the ground. Number 5. Keep pests away. Eggshells will not kill pests in your garden, but they can certainly deter them. The abrasive feeling of broken eggshells is not welcoming for soft-bodied pests like snails and slugs. Thus, you can wave pests goodbye by sprinkling roughly ground eggshells in your garden. This way, they chase away pests and also give your soil nutrients. Number 6. Give them to your tomatoes. Tomatoes need calcium to grow, and eggshells are a great way to give it to them. Simply add half an eggshell to the hole where you are going to place the tomato plant. Cover with a bit of dirt, then add the plant. As the shell composts, the tomato plant will get the nutrients it needs. This is a great way to help avoid blossom end rot. Eggshells quickly decompose in the compost pile and add valuable calcium and other minerals to the soil in the process. Number 7. You can also feed eggshells to your chickens. Interestingly, eggshells can help increase your flock's absorption and uptake of calcium. All you need to do is crush the shells and feed them back to your hens. Number 8. Facial mask. Grind clean, dried eggshells into a powder with a mortar and pestle. Now combine the shell powder with some whiskied egg whites to create a skin-tightening facial mask. Let it dry on your face and then rinse with water. You can also use eggshells to help erase minor skin irritations. Add clean and dry eggshell pieces to apple cider vinegar and let the shells soak in the vinegar for 2 or 3 days. Then dab the mixture on irritated or itchy skin with a cotton ball.